Hello, my name is Miguel Mireles. I'm a postdoc at Professor Qianqian's Science Lab, and I'm working basically on doing computational optics. And for that, we're developing three main projects, you can see. So we're working first of all on developing these type of things like are called phantoms, which are like uh, diffusive media with no optical properties. So we use these type of things to validate our system that we are also working on. So we're working on printing stuff like this that we use to validate our systems, and we can also use this to create 3D molds to generate phantoms that have some shapes, and they have multi-layers. So for example, this head here, this is a human head model, so they have some layers in the inside, like the brain, so we can use that to measure different tissue types. We can also print these type of things like phantoms, but these are printed with different optical properties. We can use those to validate our systems. And then we use these things in two of our main projects. So the first of all that we have here is called the OMSI system, which is an optical mammography co-imager. So basically this is mimicking optical mammography system, a commercial one. And what we're doing is just shining light that pass through the breast in compression, and we capture some images, and then we analyze that and check if we can reconstruct physiological information from the breast. So we can inform if there's like some variations on the breast. We have this other project which is called the FNIRS project, which is basically measuring functional activity of the brain. And the good thing to see, this is the very first flexible circuit that is used for measuring this type of signals from the brain. And what we have here are sources and detectors in this small circuit, you can see. And the idea is that we can just patch this onto someone's head. And this is a portable system. You see, this is flexible. This can adapt to someone's head, and we can inform, like in tomographic way, the brain activity. Right now, for example, breast cancer research is limited into just looking at just the morphology, like for example X-rays, just looking at morphology of the breast tissue in the patient's breast. But however, something that is more informative is to measure physiology, see changes in blood content, blood oxygenation, blood flow, those type of things. So the idea here is just to provide like supplementary information to physicians to help in better diagnose the patient or to improve the treatment that the patient is receiving. So that's the idea of this project. Well, basically, what I like the most is the fact of being like multidisciplinary, the fact that I can interact with people from different fields in research, and I can learn many other things apart from just doing just optics, right? I can learn also about the physiology, medicine, stuff like that. I like also the fact that we can help a bit, at least on understanding problems, and try to help a bit of physicians or developing better diagnosis, better way of standardize the treatments or improve the treatments. That's the fact that I like the most.